Hi all, this is Nidia. So today my topic is utility. Let us understand what is utility. Utility refers to the satisfaction derived from the consumption of a commodity. So suppose if you consume a cup of coffee, you get some satisfaction. This satisfaction is called utility. Okay, every commodity possesses utility because it can satisfy human wants. So there are two concepts of utility. One is cardinal utility and other is ordinal utility. First, let us understand what is cardinal utility. It is the utility that can be measured in cardinal numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are known as units or utils. According to this concept, utility can be expressed in numerical units. Suppose a consumer consumes a pizza. So he or she may express their satisfaction in 50 utils, whereas burger gives them the 30 utils. Clear? Now second is the ordinal utility. It is the utility that cannot be scaled in numbers. It can only be arranged in the order of preference. A person can rank, you can also rank your preference from the set of most preferred to the least preferred bundles. Now for example, if you consume a pizza, you get more satisfaction from pizza as compared to burger. Simple. So I hope up to this I have made you clear. Now the second topic is total and marginal utility. What is total utility? It is the sum total of utility derived by the consumer from the consumption of a particular quantity of a commodity. For example, if a person buys 4 oranges, the sum of utilities from 4 oranges constitute total utility. The second example, you can say that if 2 units of a commodity are consumed, the first unit yields you a satisfaction of 10 utils and second unit yields you the satisfaction of 9 units, then the total utility will be 10 utils plus 9 utils is equals to 19 utils. This is the total utility. Now, marginal utility. Marginal, always you remember, marginal means extra or additional. So, marginal utility is the additional utility derived from the consumption of an additional unit of a commodity. Okay. Now, for example, if 10 units of a commodity yield you a satisfaction of 100 utils and 11 units of commodity yield you a satisfaction of 105 utils, the account of consumption of the 11th unit of commodity is 105 minus 100 is equals to 5 utils. This is your marginal utility. Now, third example if I place in front of you is that simple example I am placing. Suppose you are feeling thirsty. The highest level of satisfaction you gain is from the first glass of water you consume. However, if you consume the second glass of water, it is the less satisfying as it were before having the first glass of water you consumed. Is not it? So, the urge to consume reduces when the always remember, whenever you are consuming more and more, your urge to consume reduces with every additional glass of water. Okay. If I give you the more examples, suppose if you buy 4 oranges, the utility of the 4th one will be regarded as the marginal utility because it is the person cares the least about. It is the less satisfaction for you. So this is the marginal utility. Now with the help of a given table, let us understand a person's total utility and marginal utility. As a person buys mangoes each day. Suppose a person consumes 2 mangoes, he derives the total utility of 14 mangoes. Now suppose he consumes 3 mangoes, he derives the total utility of 18 utils. Now by consuming 3rd mango, we can see that total utility increases by 4 utils as the 3rd mango is the additional mango, therefore marginal utility is 4. Clear? Now the marginal utility of the 4th mango is 2. Whereas you can see that the 4th and 5th unit of mangoes, total utility is same. Whereas by consuming the 5th unit of mangoes, marginal utility becomes 0. Thus, 5th unit of mango does not add. Thus, by consuming the 5th mango, it does not add to the total utility. So, where you will stop? You will stop where TU is the maximum. TU is the maximum. When you are eating puchkas, your urge to consume is reducing with every additional puchka. So, here the same thing. When you are eating, your consuming urge to consume is reducing. The point will come where you will become maximum and then you will vomit after that. So, now you can see from the 5th unit, the total utility is what? The total utility the total utility of the 6th unit of mango is 18, is less than the 5th unit of mango. Total utility of the 6th unit of mango is less than the 5th unit of mango. Since the total utility is decreasing as we move from 5th unit to 6th unit, total marginal utility becomes negative. That means -2. Which means what? It gives now disutility. When you are consuming more and more, the point will come where your satisfaction will be maximum. Satisfaction will be maximum. You will stop there, and after that if you eat more, what happens? You will fall ill, you will vomit. It gives you the disutility. That is what it shows here. So what I can say is that marginal utility is the difference between the two continuous total utility figures. Now if I say you, suppose n is the number of mangoes consumed and nth mango consumed is the last mango and n minus 1 is the one before the last. So symbolically if I place it, you will get this one. Now I can say that what is the marginal utility of the 6th mango. Okay. Now nth is the, what I said, the last mango consumed. Last mango consumed is 6th. Okay. Now total utility of n mango. N is the number of mangoes consumed. Number of mangoes you have consumed here 6. I have placed it here. Now n minus 1, that is 1 before the last, it is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. Now total utility of the 6th mango, 6th unit of mango is 18 and total utility of the 5th mango is 20. So 18 minus 20 is minus 2. This proves that marginal utility becomes negative. Thus, you can see that 8 utils of marginal utility are equal to total utility when first unit of mangoes are consumed. 6 utils of marginal utility added to total utility when 2 units of mangoes are consumed. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 utils of marginal utility added to total utility when third unit of mango is consumed. 14 plus 4 is 18 and so on. So what you can see that each successive unit of consumption yields less and less of total utility, which implies that total utility is increasing at a decreasing rate when marginal utility is also decreasing. I hope I have made you clear about this total utility and marginal utility, but still it is left the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. So one thing I want to say, this is the essence of microeconomics book. So it is published by me and Professor Dr. Hemant Gupta. So if you are willing to purchase this book, it is available on Amazon and Flipkart too. The Essence of Microeconomics by Nidhi Gupta and Hemant Gupta. Hope you will like this book. If you purchase it, it is written in a layman language. Thank you.